Hey everyone, welcome back today. We're diving into the future of online selling. We're talking Gumroad in 2025. What's hot? What's not? What can you actually sell to make some serious cash? We're going to break it all down, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. This is your chance to get ahead of the game, to become an online selling mastermind. Let's get started. All right, first up, we've got digital products. Think ebooks, guys. Everyone and their grandma is going to have a phone in their pocket, and they're going to want something to read on it. And it's not just books. We're talking digital art, music, templates, the works. Imagine this. You create a sick design like mind-blowingly awesome, and boom, thousands of people are downloading it, using it, and you're raking in the dough. That's the power of digital. Next up, we've got online courses. Let me tell you, this is where it's at. Remember when I said everyone's going to be on their phones? Well, they're going to want to learn stuff too. And that's where you come in. You could teach anything from coding to cooking to underwater basket weaving. The possibilities are endless. People are craving knowledge, and you can be the one to give it to them, all while making a killing. Hold up, we're not done yet. Subscription services, my friends. This is how you build a loyal following that's throwing money at you every single month. Think about it. Exclusive content, early access, behind-the-scenes stuff that nobody else gets. People love feeling like they're part of something special, and they're willing to pay for it. It's like having your own fan club, but instead of just hanging out, they're making you rich. Speaking of exclusive, let's talk about content that people will fight to get their hands on. We're talking never-before-seen footage, secret tutorials, early access to your latest and greatest creations. It's like giving your biggest fans a backstage pass to your life. They get something amazing, and you get to cash in on your awesomeness. It's a win-win. Last but not least, we've got the big leagues software and apps. This is where the real money is made, people. But listen, I'm not talking about building the next Facebook. You can create simple, useful tools that people will love. Think productivity apps, games, even something as simple as a really cool calculator. The world is your oyster, my friend. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the things you can sell on Gumroad in 2025. The future of online selling is brighter than a supernova, so start planning your digital empire today. Remember, the key is to be creative, be passionate, and give people something they actually want. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big Gumroad millionaire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.